Seeing weird tire wear after winter? That happens every year, and your tires are telling you exactly what's wrong. Different wear patterns point to different problems, and if you catch them early, you'll save money and stay safe. Sign 1. If one edge of your tire is wearing faster, your alignment is off. Why it happens? Winter potholes knock your wheels out of position, changing how they contact the road. Simple fix: get a wheel alignment to correct it. Sign 2. If both edges are worn but the center looks fine, your tires were underinflated. Why it happens? Cold winter temps drop tire pressure, putting more load on the edges. Simple fix: set tire pressure to proper specs. Sign 3. If the center is worn, your tire is overinflated. Why it happens? Too much pressure causes the center to carry most of the load. Simple fix: reduce tire pressure to recommended levels. Sign 4. If your tires feel bumpy or uneven, that's cupping. Why it happens? Worn shocks let the tire bounce, creating uneven wear spots. Simple fix: replace worn shocks or struts. Sign 5. If tread feels sharp in one direction, that's feathering. Why it happens? Misalignment causes the tire to drag slightly sideways. Simple fix: alignment and tire rotation. Sign 6. If you see cracks, your tires are drying out. Why it happens? Winter cold and road salt break down rubber. Simple fix: replace tires if cracks are severe. Sign 7. If you feel vibration, your tires may be unevenly worn. Why it happens? Uneven wear creates imbalance during rotation. Simple fix: balance wheels and replace worn tires. Sign 8. If one tire wears faster, something is wrong on that corner. Why it happens? It could be suspension wear, alignment, or brake drag. Simple fix: inspect that wheel's components. Sign 9. If your tires are getting louder, wear patterns are uneven. Why it happens? Uneven tread creates more road noise. Simple fix: rotate tires and fix root issue early. Most tire wear patterns come from alignment, pressure, or suspension issues. Fix those and your tires last longer. Your tires show problems before you feel them. Catch it early and you'll save money and stay safe. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.